And ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po, magsigawan, hiyawan for our Asia's Nightingale, Miss LANI, MISALUCHA!
Hello everyone! Hello ulit! Okay, are you ready for this song? I have recorded this like, my gosh, years ago when I still have my waistline ng mga 25. So, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you know the song, come on. Don't sing. Okay, here we go. How I wish I could go there so I could be much nearer to you guys. When I said I needed you, you said you would always stay. It wasn't me who changed but you, and now you're gone away. And don't you see? You don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Oh, believe it. Just believe it. No, you don't have to say you love me just because you don't have to stay forever. Thank you for singing with me. Oh my gosh, Filipinos really love to sing, don't we, huh? Yes. And I believe every single Filipino household has a magic mic. Yes. Diba? We love karaoke nights, and we sometimes make parties an excuse so that we can do sing along and karaoke. Since you guys have been, singing along, how about, I don't have a music for this one, but I would really love to hear you again. This is very, very easy, and I know that you know this song. All you gotta do is sing la 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 la.
Yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la.
I love loving you is easy. because you're beautiful. And making love with you is all I wanna do. And loving you is more than just a dream come true.
Capella.
Everything that I do is out of loving you. 'Cause loving you, I see the sun come shining through. And every time that we I'm more in love with you. Everybody now.
La 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 la. 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 That's it. That's it.
One last time.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Do, do, do. Can I do it now?
Yes.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Do, 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 do. This last note is brought to you by I Want TFC. Do, 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 do. Give yourselves, guys, a round of applause. Thank you so much for singing with me. Let's not do that again. Okay, this time I'm just going to need a little flat on my mic because this is going to be a little tricky. And I hope that you still know this song. It's actually an original of Glock 9. So it talks about the relationship of a father and a son, because this son is trying to hide something from his father. You know, instead of, you know, probably you know what I'm talking about. Instead of probably going into an army, he would rather go to a parlor. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay, here it is.
Oh my God!
now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share with you actually two of my newest songs. The first one is called I Rise to the Top, and I would like to dedicate this song to each one of you guys. You know, I can relate so much to this song because of what I have went through. Last 2020, my husband and I got sick, and it caused our hearing. We lost our hearing, and we lost our balance. We are consistently dizzy. It's called a vestibular disorder, and consistently our vision is actually moving. So whenever I move my head like this, you guys are moving. My vision is moving. When I do this, my vision will be this, and when I do this, the vision will be like this. So I may look normal, but really I am actually struggling, and in the beginning I couldn't even hear my own voice, and I thought I won't be able to sing again. So it was really hard for me, for someone like me who is a singer and couldn't even, hear my own voice. So until now I'm suffering from that, but I am still grateful that I'm alive. My husband and I are still alive. So if any one of you right here is going through some tough times, or if you're going through some trials, or if you are being treated so unjustly or poorly, this may be also your song. So listen to it, and I hope you will like it. Here's I Rise to the Top. Pwede uling reverb. Those eyes looking at me, telling me who I'm supposed to be. They say I'm not enough, that I won't make it anywhere, and I don't my dear kababayans. Thank you so much, Hamilton. Thank you so much. It is my first time here, and I am loving it. And all of you guys are really so welcoming. And I really do hope that each one of you are okay, healthy, and your family as well. So, oh, I love you, I love you. So that was I Rise to the Top, and that can actually be downloaded and streamed on Spotify and megatracks.com. Here's another song, and I can actually see you guys in this song, being so resilient, being so hardworking. Here it is. It's called I Hit the Big Time. Hit the Big Time. Here you go. Oh, I wish I could go down. Walk the streets straight ahead, see the highlights. This ain't a place, not a dream, but I know it's my time. Feel I'm a little bit closer. With every second I work harder. Risk it all, take a chance, leave the struggles behind. I might fail 10 times, but every little step I get closer. I might crash, I might falter, but I stand up, stand up, stand up. Now I'm ready for the big place coming from the way to top line. I'm so excited and I hit the ground running, 'cause I'm ready for the limelight. Never back down, never back down, never back down. Now I can see the signs, so I'ma keep on pushing and I'll keep striving till I hit the big time. Until I hit the big time. I don't care how long it takes. They say the fortune favors the brave. I sacrifice everything till I know I made it. I might fail 10 times, but every little step I get closer. I might crash, I might falter, but I'll stand up, stand up, stand up. Now I'm ready for the big wave coming from the way to top line. I'm so excited, I'ma hit the ground running, 'cause I'm headed for the limelight. Never back down, never back down, never back down. Now I can see the signs, so I'ma keep on pushing and I'll keep striving until I hit the big time. No, this ain't no other night. No, this ain't no other night. No, it's been going for years. Now it's finally come to this. Now I'm ready for the big wave coming from the way to top line. I'm so excited, I'ma hit the ground running, 'cause I'm ready for the limelight. Never back down, say you never back down, never back down, say you never back down. So I'ma keep on pushing and I'll keep striving until I hit the big time. 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 Thank you so much, guys. Please check out my YouTube because I have the music video of I Rise to the Top, and this one is also coming up on my YouTube channel. So, did you say that I can go down?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let me see.
Yes, please.